This is a new apartment complex, and as you can see, there is still work going on. Um, all these, they are the same design. So this, for example, has a keypad which they need to come and patch that up, and the siren up there, and the panel is here in this closet. So they almost look identical. They are identical by the looks. Okay, so this is the living area. It has a back door here, and every back door has a monitoring device, which is this thing here, and this other one here. So when the door is closed, the circuit is closed. When it's opened, it's open, and that sends alarm to the system. I virtually wired this whole buildings by myself, basically. This is the back of it. I wired the whole of those ones. Each floor has 4 floors. This table has 4 units. And this is the main office. And this is the some of the other apartments on the other side of the building. So it's a lot of work. Okay, so this one has a siren and a keypad, just like the rest of them. I am on the 2nd floor right now. This one has been turned on already. I just need to program it. This door has a monitoring device here, as well as here. So when the door